Christy, the art teacher here at Parker Street. Some of you guys may have not met me yet because of all the virus stuff and you guys weren't able to cycle through the art room yet. But I've made some art bags for you guys so that you can have some crafty, artsy things to do at the house while we're all quarantining. So I've added some paper, there's construction paper and drawing paper in the bag. We've got markers and crayons and some color pencils. I've also added in some watercolors, some pipe cleaners so that you guys can be creative. I added a bag of beads with some thread. You can also use the beads on the pipe cleaners as well. I added a bag of popsicle sticks that can be colored. If you have regular glue at home, you can glue them together. Got some glue sticks, a little pencil sharpener. I'll give you guys some pencils to draw with, a ruler, erasers, scissors, and tape. So, you guys can use these things in any way that you want to. Be creative. Let the art process just flow through you. And I hope to be making more bags in the future for you guys. And my plan is to maybe post some videos on ideas of projects that you can use these supplies for. So I hope you guys have fun. Please post some pictures of what you guys are doing. We would love to see how you're using your creativity that you're created with because God has created each and every one of us to be creative in different ways, and I would love to see how you guys are using your gifts that God has given you. All right, you guys have a great